Hey guys, I'm gonna dig up an old Rose of Sharon plant. I'm gonna replant it somewhere where we want it. Tools I'm gonna need: a shovel, some loppers, chop chop, maybe a utility knife, just in case. I'm gonna start by getting rid of that landscape fabric, and then we're gonna dig up and try to get a 3-foot radius of roots, maybe a 2-foot radius of roots. And I'm just gonna prune the rest of the roots off because I can't go digging forever. I'm not gonna spend that amount of time. Now with the landscape fabric out of the way, I'm gonna start digging into this dirt. Like I said, 2 to 3 foot radius. Try to preserve a lot of the root material because the plant's gonna need that in order to draw water and nutrients in its new location. So we've got roots here. All we're going to do is try to prune them off clean so that we preserve as much of that root material as possible. All right, so I've got the plant pretty much dug out, and now I'm hoping I can pull it loose. I've got the front dug out pretty good. Oh, there we go. I feel like I've got all, there it is. I see the root. We're gonna take care of that guy. And his little friend too. Okay. And it's out. Now I'm going to walk it back or tractor it back, put it in the ground. All right guys, now I'm here in the site of the burial, planting, and I'm just gonna dig out this side. I'm gonna take a few seconds doing that, and then we'll plant this beast. All right, we have transplanted an old Rose of Sharon. Instead of digging it up and burning it or chopping it down, great way to upcycle a really nice old plant that's done you right for several years. I just finished it up by planting it in some good dirt, topping it with some mulch, and I'm gonna water it in. And then we're done.